Mwancho mugireria ne mambi ene tokumana imeyo murubiri ubwetero bini ritwe rero mbegete bikoro tebe ya Ishmael Mogere uyote yo asengishe sababu bitaye kunyara gutange gakorende ko kwarigani esenchire ya bene emambe gitarike 24 omotienyi oikomina rimo omwaka w'ikibibina mangebere naisano ekere bintu abwente ko karekana imeyense ya Kenya achigosori siasa na kiregento iyo togo chikolimera imeyetero bini na komorekera bene ari anerete ko karekana ari akorekanire asechingongo ao chense buna botambire tanje nkuru kwa Daniel mwaga ikaransa wike tumanyani esomo rwitoro birwe chakarabona igachinsa inye wikachinsa isano one mo chamagaso esto wikumanyani amangana amangi kabisa alawere ko bakakorekana inyoranga litkorigora abashabiki ya Shabana na betoko bakako sokyo sobonge na guchikitirile game ya Shabana yakorekana nteme ya St Sebastian Stadium igaria ime yense meria ya Muranga ikaransa komanyi aso obo ikranu eyemo asayemo kuresegeteseni kyao kyabene against Soko TV. Bia hamono naende mwana kwarigania nende esenchirere ya bene igotoko chaka bene ase umugano obwechigosori mwanchi mutige mwancho omorigereria asama tukabwa ngoiga club ya Shabana FC kyabere club keria kebugata batyotereria bange sana imeyense ya Kenya zetrikere bagwe Sokya na begosori kere Mombasa na begosori kere Nakuru na begosori kere gari chinsemo cha Central na begosori kere Gusi Stadium abatyotereria be club ekyombanya kwobwa akogenda mbanya kwobwa ikagaria neba no bware ebole ingakia nene igoro esenchera ya bene inakora tetana barabu ayamasa ya mukuru memo chogusi nkababwati ayamasa ya mo gwetera esechibara ya tikarore wagaikambaka tika bakaenda yamesa mbaka Muranga nkanyara bakinko baroseria omugano oyibwime kabisa igoro yobwanchani wa mashabiki ya Shabana FC wabere bakoroke bochese club keria ya Shabana FC gekora uno mwalimu Peter Okede esa yamasa ya mo nguchino bochesera omugano oyu linde nyara ko okonyora ayamasa ya mo bro nakora tetareria na goikagaria tie gaso yerete makarie gori ayemasa yemo egori mu Shabana yafungetuno magasoria Wycliffe ayiko korinde egori ya Murangasire kanyonsi bwana magasoria ori mo captain okumerika Kiplangate nonyanigo tigonga ora rabu no bwanchani bwa Shabana una bakora tetara yabo bagotenga abagotera bago chenga amaene bagote ba Shabana neyemo omogoko echengo ama onobosani ibwa imemono ase entunda yende naende abatyotereria abe klabu ugia Shabana FC ekikosoria ase ligi nene ya FKF Sport Pesa Kenya Premier League ya Kenya nigo bagendrete kworoke obwanchani bwabo abonene guchie ase klabu ekyo Ritko oria igoro ekero Shabana yarenge ko karakaria ne klabu kereke Murangasile chiribu chi amashabike kurwa chinsagi ao che klabu ekyo ya Shabana nigo besogete kigima bunere eira yabo egati yechinsagia chiria chiesogete gotietereria klabu kyabo gya Shabana FC na mororo sagero yorone kabisa arwati aribego seti Karodi Branch orosagia rwa Kitengela rolela Westlands Mountain View orosagelo Utawara orosagelo rwa Mombasa Road rolela Diaspora amoro sagia Koragusi gati yechinsagi chinde chinyinge chiesogete teneni bakora unro sagero lya rwati Karodi Branch nige sawari yoguchego tutereria ekerabu gya Tore Bobe ya chagete asensemeria ya TRM Ruiru Juja ayemo asayemo gwikatika na kurwabo Kenole Muranga goika asegesero gya St Sebastian egeti gyanka agekelabu kya Murangasile nchera kogenda abatyotereria aba nigo barekanete gotene na kira etaoni gochenga gotera na koralia lingana erimorioka Shabana neyemo omweri oye bagasoa bagatintia na kulibia egesereke gima agia St Sebastian Park Sport Pesa Stadium wikali Arabati oruongo te bungu rwa tukiranchara ko ngucho ko nyore senchera ere ya bene ngucho ro kolgeli banende rera nembeo senchera ere ya bene bonega igotogosuka mutu mwanchu mugeria imeje mu rubiro obweto robini tugandere kumurekera ali akorekanete ikeri alitko olio gukira chumamosi mwenye gomone sana no korekanete asumu bugani yo mombara bare ne para ya rongno ya para ebare area ya Mombasa road asumu igumeke na Jamhuri Kenya Awards ese ntunda ya kane esegesonga batenga 4th edition mwega orego se umusi obwe Moyegoyo omuchaki we Moyegoyo senchera ya bene akorokwanera Bernard Simanto umunyekene mona buna babu mutekova imeyense ya Kenya nanye nimemwechi on Nairobi asari ganti Moyegoyo ya sentunda ya kane senchera ya bene abarai aho abagikirana gari gati yabo umubunge uria umayikeno nere ndinde inyoro nabayigo hagati y'abarayibande kurora gongo rwa gusintoro cyabaye MC abange sana babetoka bakwegwe byego byabo osogokora emereme ya inyura ngono moyega bo kumurekera abantu bari abakunyare gukora gusabanya gukora emereme ya asechigosori asechigasichiabisi asechigasi kiricha abana siasa nonye nasabarari babetoka bagotonwa nyora ngitese ni Gen Soko TV kyabatekebeke gotonwa ebyego ao egati yabo byego byo muroberi ryo mambya omuya kabisa uyokora unere Diana Ndemo amona Innocent Onyango Conrad nere nabetoka bagakwe ekiegwa keria akyo designing ya ibichakiri okora chigweta gari ya chi promo chiri okora gari amo nechi advert nonye toko kwa na chi poster chiri achirija Conrad yakorosia chikawa kaba chiko manya anakomwoboka ibo mosio kabisa koegwa ebi gosekoegwa kikwegwa ekiegwa keria asenchera ere ya bene omwancho mugereria bagatonwa abantu abange sana abarai aho na batiribe gaikagari abMC kuru chi ward au gati yabo mu MC kuru ward ere ya Kiogoro ntomoro chegaria no bayigete garia na bakorochi nkwana chiaba bakanyoka babo kwana almost ntomoro chomo director gwegete ni Gen Soko TV nera job nyasimi no arenge garia akorochi nkwana chiaye na kurwe byegwa gochia asaba wibari batoko bakubwa no moyego mane sana gokarekana kira umwaka bwo gotona abantu au mwancho mugire nyanigo tetura ya naturaligira lyankikeligia korekanete kurwa sensemi yo ye omoyega o Jamhuri Awards yo bateko gokarekana.
Congratulations.
Abaligelia baito korugusi oyogo kwana Njob Nyasimi mumanyi director Gen Soko TV lere toleneli tukoliomo wako sana ase ogocha koewa chi award echi award eche chikoro kiegasi twanya litogokora muna chi TV chiri chigotangasa umuntu wabwike gusi ase kurwe Soko TV ntwanya rato koewa chi award isatu ntwaewa award ya graphics iyo kworo kina egasi etobune kororekana buye cholire buronge ndeko gokia maisa itokorugusi na inde Kenya ngima essence ya vernacular TV stations na abo na ine twaewe eyende kworo kina etobwate the very best breakfast show Kenya ngima ngorenge lingoli elimule ensoko bwakire ne program engunyarereke kubasomia amangano nsi ali nyarega koba sensemo ya gusi ebe siasa ebe obolemi ebe amagendero ebi byonse biri byo byakabwese morning show baka magazeti na ine na chi interview na chi debate chiri moja mwanya mogotwara ntwaewa award ende ya second run up ye TV station na ngunyara ngo batebya abaligeri baito na inde abategereri TV ya jagete tare moja etalikie mu mutienyo kianda lakini asama tukaywa maketonya toko besembeo mutienyo kianda no yo 10 kolengeli mwanyale moko na umukitonya toko kora na kuwaletera amangana ama yakorwa asensoko mbia mono sana.
It's very good to have this kind of an event that recognizes effort and especially effort of the real owner of the country who is the Mwananchi. From whatever they do in various counties, it's very good to see them recognized.
This is what we call innovation at its best. I congratulate you for the 4 editions you've been able to put and the good work that you're doing. I think this is a testament to that this country has young people who have the potential to do something as long as you're able and willing to support them. My call for today is for more stakeholders and partners to come in together and work with young people to be able to support them to really bring their dreams, bring their ambitions to life.
I'm very passionate about education, and I'm calling upon, and especially those who are in the decision making in government, we cannot afford at any moment to play around with education. And we cannot afford not to be seen as knowing what education does to an economy. And I'm saying that because before the closure of last term, the day secondary school principals in Kenya received a circular from government where the government is intending to cut capitation. Cutting capitation is basically shifting the burden to parents. That in our day schools, the school fees now wants to be increased to over 22,000 Kenya shillings. That is definitely unacceptable, and we cannot allow that to happen, because in this kind of an era where we need to capacitate our human capital, we must not be talking about cutting the benefits of education. We should be talking about increasing, and that is why that intention of government to increase school fees in our day schools cannot be tolerated.
Watigana hana yora watu orua jamhuri ngwakiranga mjamo nabagwibaria aba Soko TV abatiko bagoika agaria na kubwebyegewe nabatendiana ndemo Conrad nabo Innocent Onyango nabego bali bandi bekene tabwe buno director na kuruchinkwana cyabo nigo twakira mjamo no bonsipi bali babatiko bagoikarania esenchera ya bene umuyega uywe jamhuri awards nabego tukumwakira mu CEO ya Bernard Simanto mjamo no sokwarga ni mjega yo komanya na kotona abantu ebyegwa watikana n'imirimo yari yabimye abagenda tokora imeyensi yiga ya Kenya mwanchi mugirira wana tika tuske mutu tosa kaiga samangana yegesiya somwanchi mugirira ime yimurubiriyo yo obwetrobini igatokumanyi wose imtoroche nga siasa niko kigendete kokarekano eschingongo imeyensi ane abose bwachoriyo bano bukayo korekane iki yitari kemeronge bere enaisa naibere imeyensi ya Kenya tubatobochoriyo chinsemo mwanchi mugirira tubatobochoriyo ime yebunge ya mbera no tubatobochoriyo se ebunge ya ebunge ya Magarini ime county ya Kilifi tubatobochoria asechigwodi sato ime yarogongoro lya Rwabusi yuere ward area Nyamaya ward area ya Kirenya na mone ward area ya Nyansiongo asebono abarai abagane tokobeke kambigaria area kwene kinga abarwaneri balya babo nkubwa bare ebyegwe gati yabo United Opposition eliye korau nere Rigathi Gachagua amona Fred Matiang'i abo Martha Karua na babo George Natembeya abo Boni Halwale bagane tokobeke kambiro ngo Rwabusi garia nabo ntubwate nsemeri ende ya serikali yekora na babo Osoro mabunge oria oyo chief wa epimeye ebunge nane abagana tokore kambi ese chingongo au chinse nabo iganane estoko kwana sora gongorerwa gusi ele kwene kinga abarwaneri ese bikuru ese byama byabo konyora bare obwina kore to bunyamasi ase byama ibya korende litko lya igoro mwanchumugeria abarayi balya ba United Opposition abo bakora abo base bare kora unere usomo waziri uyu muringo mu waziri eborendi bwime Fred Matiang'i nabayigo no agarenge garia Martha Karua twaroche umugabana George Natembeya umugabano Trans Nzoia bakora tebikara byabo garia yo kurukonyene Opposition nakamwakere koko omurwaneri ebwe kiama ekyo ese gosomurwaneri obo kwetera gosomurwaneri obo oyomo ibatete gochi airobora yobo tigango tra rank ya korekanete kurwen semeyo ye county ya Nyamira ase chikura kigenderete kubwata nsemono bosyo bochoryo boke bochi korekana ese chinseme chona batebi ensemo ya Nyamaya ensemo area ya Nyansiongo amo onenseme area ensemeria ende yensemeyo ya Nyamira esabo cyarwa ko chikokora kanchi tariki 20 naibere chire chie iki yega nabo igomo tienyo yiga tiango traligereria chibi chamo ne chinkwana chibate chikokora kana kurwa sensemeyo mwancho muligereria
ase campaign ya kagire kobayo morembe nigo imeya ikonge chiburaburu chene kiwa mega yechinsemo ibere komerana ase ababwatani babegete uniform cha UDA kogani gotanga musavaro ho United Opposition abaraya abo bagokwana setaro yabo ime Nyansiongo ne Kerenyo nigo baborio mugusi no mwaki chikura gotamusokia musike Dr. Fred Matiang'i Aramisi yeiga asoko bachora ewodi ya Nyansiongo musike Jackson Mugusu ewodi ya Kerenyo musike Jeremia Ongaro abo ewodi ya Nyamaya musike Chris Osiemo na gotiga gotegera abarwanderi be serikali
United Opposition inaanguka kura.
Nigekerekio baragire bokongu okogoseriwane serikali ya Ruto anne mono maega yokomochi wa Koraswa kumugavana ho Trans Nzoia Mosque Church na tembea
magari kapigwa we have buried them. Now they have resorted shooting at us. Yesterday they almost killed me outside Wetangulas home.
Ambao tunakupia usijaribu kutuua kwa sababu nchi itachomeka. Your Excellency President William Ruto, you have your way, but we will have our say.
Nigo baragire oburayo be bomurai wense nagoteba aso mwako 2027 mbachiko moro kiarioki.
William Ruto tayari ameanza kupanga suitcase aende nyumbani 2027. William Ruto kama una suitcase nzuri hivi naanza kupata wewe yangu. Upande uende 2027
Nigo siasa chintini chagendera kubetanse ekera matukano katigaire bosio bobochorio boke Stephen Nyarikembunde Ensoko TV Kerenyo North Mogirango County ya Nyamira.
Inero naragendrita ne korwariro bari agusigarie sikambe kigende kubwatansa asichiwodi bere ikiwa kigo kikwene kyabachori bakorekana buso bochori bakowara broberi korekana kitarike 20 na isana na ibere ko 27 kyomo kinyonkare ikeye igo mwanchi mwiri ya sauna cyashigende kubwatanse gati United Opposition amo nabali abare meya serikali kwa morega mu senate bwi county ya Kisii Richard Mumaima Onyonka gakoranya kabisa gari hagati ya Matiang'i nero bweka esibono bagendreta gotebanga Matiang'i nero bweka Gabu na kumwakere kokonorega kwa morere gabu gati y'abantu bari kwa morere omubunge Cliff Gisairo nereka okwana gakuruchinkwana chia sentera ere ya bene mwancho mugireria togotigara asense meyu eyugo nigo bone gati y'abarayibe sokiri eri gokora kieri okugenderera kumwakere koko nagatebanga Matiang'i inaisaine osio obochori bwo mwaka 2025 onaibere obwo bwo 2027 obore motu esibona iga liberera rie chikura kabisa ngene tokubwata nse meyense ya Kenya nene ningore kwira bochori gusingorere chikoro chebochori obo bonega nigo bagenete gwesokia abakora uno senator uria bwe county area Nyamira Okengo Mogeni gwagotebanga omutiangi na isaine bosio bochori obunyera matiangiga abakoba gakoegwe ticket ya kiama keria agia Jubilee kobori oboraigwetere kiame kia Jubilee sebana bawochu ikaransanse gati yababara ibuna babarigadi gashagwa oyoro moraigwe kiama keregia DCP obei ose orenge omokonyi bo moraigwe nso agetwisiko yabisi tokukwandra madakarwano aregabu tukomaratore omoraigwe kaperikia moraigwe kiama kerekia Patriotic Front Kalonzo Musyoka ajuji ni wa Morokoro ngororia Arua Western naboigo oyo mugavana George Natembeya gati abaribanda bange barigetuko chikuikaransanse na komochora oyo mobo elio koborie kerugo kyorai elio wachikate amakorra gosemba morusi umurai orobone gabisi President William Samoei Ruto inera bwene tokipanga kabisa bosi obo wachori ibwo mwako ibechi 25 na ibere korene sibonega egati abari korongo rwa gusidingo baigwetenga esi bari bagochorwa matiangi nerwe ko isaine nero bwene tagochorwa elio hachikoboria hebendera ya United Opposition kunchia kunyara ko mwaka isiko yabisi umurai bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto tuyango tara chinkwana gati yabari bari besokiri na batebanga matiangi tigasirwe
ande ndade wakera bakatolika bamindongo mbiyamo sana wethere se father naba bishop asogo tenenese mustari omutwe wokorwanirero mwananchi muri korona bako sama mangana aba bishop bali yotongo bakera mbiyamo ise kanisa ya Catholic na inche lero na naika yonda tukobadenga na inche wonte neine mayaga yo mwana yo minto ukoro Dr. Fred Okengo matiangi uno mosene toino monsabere mwanje ngante nenere mwanje tebo igo wono motobeke sama sabo wono jinga kijaike no ninje nkora gwate sabuli narabe kama sabo aba bonsi pi njire limo gosiekera chipobu chitiko liye ekero ngelikyo kobepo otosiekere tematiangi tobasiekera Gachagua tobasiekera Kalonzo Natembeya Wamarwa bonsi pi wono nje kurugusiaiga kera litukubuna nguboka mambi koira chisana natangelio kiri kosoka lisokero mwana oyo binta ewe kero kelio koligi
na kyako batebi moroche no turamone nere yes indomanyete there is nothing wrong in loving one of your own. There is nothing wrong ekero chindugo jete kurumata charago denga baba nerewanjite. There is nothing wrong nechindugo jete bakamba wanja Kalonzo. There is nothing wrong na baikuyo wanja Rigiji. Na intwe, is there anything wrong ekero to watu mwana ito?
Abonga tiyabara ibalia bakukurongo rwagusi bakona museneta bwe county ya Nyamira Okengo Mogeni abaganda tekote banga omuyisaine ko buli kikora akyo oborai bwenso mwaka bwe kirubere 25 onebere no Moske Fred Okengo Matiangi ibaganda tukumwakire uko sana ili akikunyara kwimukiye bendere eyo hanene gweterese kyama keria kyaye ya Jubilee ikyabaka kogochorwa esenchire ya bene kyama gekora uno kubera omorai bwense uru Muigai Kenyatta bagokwana ikuregoro asebairete chikambe cy'abaragongolirwa Nyamira nsobo cyore wakeboro kigokorekana ikirega kitarike 25 na ibere omwanchwa o murigere bana togotigara se siasa tegatosuke mbaka siasa gende tokubwatanse igatini ngoro omokunko bwoyonde hasense meria yoragongolwa central igotogukwanira se okorigiye keruke obunge bolia bwa mbere note ndoroche garia igochiasa kigende tokubwatanse kigima omwanchwa mureria ese kera omorayeso kirigati yabo balia oyore omokonyo marebwense Professor Kidure Kindiki oyibweso ki asenchera ere ya bene egyo kwenekia inga nkonyorari goso oria gwakireko ko korigiye kiroge kigweterese kya makeria agia kya makeria kya UDA nkonyorari obunyangongo bwaye onyani go sensemo ya kabere oyo kabere omokanyi bo mara ibwense Rigathi Gachagua neranga tukumwakireko ko sana urinera agwente kwimukyo kabako igoro ere gosenko nyara ko baga konyora obobwibwaye asenchera ere ya bene omwanchu mugire igo bono igo ere ase chifarasi bere chiregeti oyore muraibwense Kithure Kindiki na boigo oyore ngo mokonyi muraibwense Rigathi Gachagua kwene kinga omugwi gose ori okuriye keroge kikyobo chumbe gwetera ase kiretigiti nkonyaro bwibwaye na boigo ryategete gose nkonyaro gochiare konyaro kabaga kubwa aiga bono no chingwichigo chikaba chigo chigupimwa ningo bwate omanyi bonge ningo bwate mwaro monge bw'abantu ningo omete kuriya chikure sencherere ya bene anene sorogongorwa centro agati iyo omokonyi muraibwense Kithure Kindiki na boigo muraibwe kyamakiria gya DCP Rigathi Gachagua ese bono baire temeli kabisa na kuendera kurwa chikambeni cyaba korende siasa cinchiganira tesenchere ya bene ntetora ragati iye chibichamo ne chinkwana chiganira gukorekana na chiri cyakorekanire kurwa sensemeria ya mbere noti anene sikura cyo obubunge bure mutwe cyo kitariki 27 icyo kiro chigukorekana ikiriga.
Ewe ndugu yangu mdogo Leonard wa Muthende, kwa sababu Mungu anaenda kukujalia juma lijalo, by Friday next week, by the grace of God and the prayers of the people of Mbeere North and the votes of the people of Mbeere North, you are going to be our next member of parliament of this area. We are instructing you as the people of Mbeere North. We are asking you as the people of Mbeere North. My brother, when you get the seat, make sure every child from Mbeere North gets access to a bursary so that they can further their education.
Hapa ni Mbeere North. Hapa sio Mathira. Mahali ambapo wewe ulikuwa unapatiana bursary wakati ulikuwa mbunge kwako nyumbani. Hapa tunapatiananga bursary kwa uwanja na kila mtu anaenda nyumbani na pesa ya kulipia mtoto yake karo. Na hiyo ndiyo Mheshimiwa Leonard wa Muthende ataendelea nayo kuanzia next week.
Mimi nataka kuwasihi kwa heshima, tuchague wa Muthende, washikane na Waziri Roko, washikane na Governor Cecily Mbarire, washikane na Senator Mundigi, washikane na women rep wetu. Sisi zote tuendelee kutetea maendeleo.
Siku moja nimepitia hapa nikiangalia maneno ya Mbeere sababu ni jirani. Nikasikiza nikashindwa, kwani majirani zangu wanataka kwenda kwa opposition. Na unajua ukiwa na jirani ambaye ako na mashinda, huyu kijana mimi ni kama mama yake. Mnanipatia niende naye mpaka kule assembly. Vijana wakimuonyesha mambo mengine mimi ni kama mama, takamwambia anamwambia kunaenda hivi kunaenda hivi.
Mwancho omongereria uye nera chinkwana chigendrete liberari nte kubwata nsekalsa ese bungeria ya Mbeere North oro chegabo sabare bayante gwa kare kuko bali batete bayirekero kyobo jumbe nyoranga yo kuligia uyo gwakire ku United Opposition no lyo kuligia kire kyobo jumbe ni gwara kure kyamakiria gya Justin Muturi gya Democratic Party kimayaga yorio DCP gota chance eriko mweko kodionde linde banyara kokoraki ende banyara kubwatirana na kororanga nkobwa bare olia we kyamakiria kya UDA gwikiraga bu mwancho mwereria niko tokwira mutumo kama kegonyare glass kia mache manya kwa nende ngendra kumanya semangana arena tokorekana imeyense ya Kenya sege siasa na bayigo ase chinsemo chinde Thomas Oscar aye Nensoko TV naiga no konyora oburusobore obwabene.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi
omwancho muri Nensoko TV
igetase ni Nensoko TV ibwatira senge chao
kokoretera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi kurime yagusi na isiko yagusi
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchero bonda bwansi
korwa ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietari anen Caroline Mausa
korwe county ya Nyamira elietari Nyarige Steven Embonde
kurwa county ya Kisii elietari Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amangana amaye ko ritukira Jumatatu bakari tukira Jumapili
Jeni Gongor Perpetual machin na nyora netrobin Nensoko TV oboroso bomogusi.
Ege Nensoko TV, uboroso bw'umugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Chinchira chito chigekoro nigo chirasoko goserwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero. Ekira kikiagarira Nsoko TV twachire guturigesa ku kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba y'abanyandwarero.
Oboroso bw'omugusi bwegekirwe omugusi bono ne chinchira chiago goikaransanse na kubeke TV yawe kwene kingangwe somyo regekoro kyomugusi.
Wetro murobiryo bw'igekoro gyeito hasi tokumera nabaga kaba Samuelere nabo igabange nabanyika iligo kwanero kwebogia chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi.
Kera lituko ri aramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yao na Mbeya Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira.
Eye Nsoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi.
Yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengiya yakire ngumanga bunalero
Nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asengichao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asegari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuro.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka na battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
obutindi n'obusumbasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamarieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna mariogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwanafunzi orenge kwende university ongere gutumia amaruna mariogo yogotindi amosariri wono yaikireke wango guikarwari kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwende kanisa utigire onge akonywa mariogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obye
asamange twakirisimia se namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buri gukora kingatare icyobutindu
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwakirari tuko bwomogusi nigo bware gosirwa nobolemi rikomera riburga risamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire ribaga rikiage asinka yomogusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somoroberio wikiage kyomogusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera ritkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi korwa chingongo elio kumanya naki bakwenyorera engere yabo ya kera ritko omocha
nuganetie byome bitingu bitari kuboneka na kokota bwango ebyuma bikomenya asige kigetambe na gokobo kwali bya asemermo yao company ya Davis and Shutleaf nero munyangongo asika kimyaka 52 na kianda asobonia byuma ao byubuye bwekerengo kyayuro aseriguriria nigo bakonia chimota chipambu cyamache icyo gusyarira bimeri amache chigenerator chisola panel amonichi machine cyo gukenura amache nkwaga bari gisuninga pool na gugisibya nkoni baramalyogo yo gukenura amache asumu cyo busongo Davis and Shutleaf nigo bagutuka samaga cha Stage Plaza ayarigiranitie nigedesenya kanege Kigali asamange bakirisimi ase namba 0708623645 gose 0711079840 gose 0711079324
Mwanchumo ligareria Bwensoko TV oboroso obomogusi inche Clinton ndigia senjera ya bene ngokwaregania na gokumanya buna no chiko bagukomerana na inche asemesa yama yakorwe ensoko litukoria Jumaine litukoria Alhamisi na bego litukoria Jumamosi enseyamo nechinsa isatu chabotuko elionchiko komanya mangana maya buna nyara kobaga kwateka kurwa sechinsemo ao rogongorwa gusi county ya Kisii county ya Nyamira wikase county ya Nairobi na bego chi county chonsi emerongene na isano na ibere Ensoko TV oboroso womagusi.
Je, unakusudia kwenda sherehe itakayosalia katika mioyo ya watu kama kumbukumbu daima? J&. Java tupo kwa ajili yako. Tunabadili kila tukio la furaha, fahari na ubora usiopimika. Tunatoa huduma mbalimbali kama vile viti vya kila aina, mimbari au meza za kuvutia, hema za kisasa, mapambo ya kuvutia, taa za kila aina, upishi wa vyakula vitamu, vioo vya kisasa, zulia za kila aina, mfumo wa matangazo kwa umma yani PS system, miongoni mwa huduma nyingi kwa bei rafiki. Kwa mengi zaidi tutembelee katika ofisi zetu zilizopo katika jiji kuu la Nairobi kwenye eneo la maonyesho, yani showground. Na ukiwa mjini Kisii ni katika eneo la Mwembe kwenye jengo la J&J lililo karibu na jumba la Isena White House. Au unaweza kuwasiliana nasi kupitia nambari 0792071110 au tuandikie barua pepe kupitia anwani sales@jnjava.co.ke. J&Java, kila tukio lina hadithi, tuandike pamoja. Amorire nigagendrete gutose mwana boire bukia tari Yesu sera ekegonko esukari lisabeso ukurasa kwa manyinga yani blood pressure ninki turakore witanga kuri wasare Noishibu asomurubiryo bubugima nobo cheno asorabigo kumaniwa n'abanyagitari bamarwire ao nabo yabamanyi bande bayatunge tyobo cheno kumurikira marwire nobo wenia nyoro murubiryo bubugima nobo cheno na Caroline Mausa kirari tukule Jumatatu chinsa ibiri chabutuko ime Yensoko TV oburuso umugusi obulimira bw'essiro ly'obunda bwense kulende tali nchira ndio sira krobulimi obiyoke enyore libaga lya bene kwaegwa migelyo chisemi nobosemya igyo obulimi bwekerero nechikolinga
asobolimi bochete skuru nobotigi bokumerwa mate
tebone ng'ombe bune yengiya
Gaya konyana eyisimegete ntera ngetia maraba ekonete konya kukina yo kamaraba konya kuyona nganya kwama buya
beka chibuti imokyo bokombe to semogondo bweli nebisumwime na pathway machine
kile sukuri ya Jumaine chinsa ni bere chamuragoba weka chinsa isato asomoro bere oberemi nobotugi ekero turesemia mange kura saberemi chini gongoro ka pathway machine
asomuro buri bubari minobutugi ime Yensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi eye Yensoko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
mwancho mulgeria kalibu naende mega yo kwiri mutumo ko ichinkine to kwana naende semesa yetrobini to gendere kumurekera hali agenderete kwene kibwase chinsemo ao chinso mwancho mulgeria to kwenyerwa inga chinza chinka kurbana iga omo prime minister bwenseri ya Malaysia mwenyekene una Anwar Ibrahim no are meyense ya Kenya mo prime minister bwense ya Malaysia Anwar Ibrahim no are meyense ya Kenya mwancho mulgeria naende igare senyomba ayobora yense ya Kenya ga Nairobi ya State House asichinga chinke kurbana kile cyo kuribona aguciye kurwe kwana yaye igoro bwatani ibwe bikibiasara mone bintu bine gati yense ya Malaysia mona Kenya na kera cyo kwanu mwanchi muri Thomas Goska kegara wachitero bakoreta rachibice cyo live kurwa gari ya State House nyara kuba ago kwigwa ninki omo prime minister wense ya Malaysia bakari gari ya State House yasalga niwe no mara wense William Ruto rigwe kwana cha intile cha kurwese nyombe nayo bara ya State House ne egetogenda kabisa kwarigania ndindo nyara chibice cyo asenchera ere ejo oboikiranu bana togenda nayo magana ge siasa mwacho muri atoboska motu nigo marayibuye kyamakeria agia DCP Rigathi Gachagua oyine ndo kabaire omokonyi bo marayibwenso agetwisiko yabisi agendete komogikeria mono murayibwense William Ruto asobo tumiki obwe nibo mense ya Kenya sabata banga Ruto nga tumiki ni be chitawendreti ya chitarama ne campaign yaye ejo agendete okora inse ya Kenya iro kwene kiyengo kiraniare senchira bene obo chori boke oburo chikokore kana chitariki emeronge bene isano na ibire chumutinyo yiga oyere eikiga obo choli boganyere sana ase chinsemo abuna na kweresa ntubwate ensemo ya Malaba gari ya Western ntubwate Mbeere North ntubwate ensemo ya gari ya Kilifi asebunge area ya Magarini ntubwate sechi ward cha Gusii isato igati yawe ward area ya Nyamaya ward area Kerenyo ama one ward area ya Nyansiongo mwancho mugereria hibyo nsiri konende nigono ni gesokiri kabisa senchera area ya bene na mugikiria bororo na gotebya Ruto ngabona yetigatumira ne tebe konende amagikiria sobutumukiwe ebwe nibone ne kerainde tokora campaign chiaye Gadi Gashagwa na bare kumugikeria Samatukagwa ngoiga omurayi bwense kubwatikana ano burayi bwaye obukorengana na Gashagwa oburayi bumurayi bwense William Ruto mbori obore ose mbori ibuyana bwa nambo bwatinchera erendonge kegima tegango turaligerie nkwana aya ya Gadi Gashagwa.
Mkule pesa ametoa hapa karibu 600 million. Hiyo pesa ilitosha kuweka stima kwa kila boma katika Mbeere North. Kila mtu sasa angekuwa na stima. Imepelekwa hapa, watu wanakula kila pahali. Kupoteza pesa na ni pesa ya umma. Lakini mimi nikaambia wa Mbeere mkule hiyo pesa kwa sababu mkikosa kukula Ruto tayari ameiba hiyo pesa atapeleka kwao. So acha tukule. Na msikuwe na wasiwasi. Hakuna mtu anaweza iba kura yetu. Sisi ni watoto ya Maumau. Utatuibia kura tukiwa wapi? Huyu Kasongo asicheze na sisi bwana. Niambie William Ruto, be a gentleman. Let us have a fair contest. Tumepata habari watu yako ya mkono, huyu Soprano, huyu Ruko Karinda, atu wanatafuta wakora huko Kikuyu, huko Kiandutu Thika, atu wakuja waangaishe hao wa Mbeere. William Ruto, hao wa Mbeere walikuchagua. Hapana tuma wahuni kuja kuangaisha wa Mbeere. Wewe kama wewe ni mwanaume kamili, kubali tushidane fairly kwa debe, si ndio? Tuangane kwa debe. Don't use akina Ichung'wa to set criminals and goons here. Wale ulinitumia Limuru wameonekana huko. Wale ulinitumia Mwiki wameonekana huko. Wale waliniattack nikitoka US wameonekana huko Mbeere. Be a gentleman. We know you are not a good person, lakini ile heshima kidogo umebakisha, usiangaishe wa Mbeere kwa sababu alikuchagua. Si ndio? Si mlimpigia kura? At least awachane na sisi. We compete fairly.
Those of you who have read the recent Kenya Gazette, more particularly this week, would have seen some people who have changed their names on account of being pursued by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission for certain things that they may have done around Kenyatta National Hospital.
The dignity and the pride of the mountain people is in the hands of the people of Mbeere. I beseech you, my people, please dignify our community. Restore our pride and dignity as a community. William Ruto lacks respect for us. He demeans our community. He abuses our community. He calls us tribalists. And then he says we are cheap, that he can buy the people of Mbeere for 500 shillings to do what he wants. The people of Mbeere must say no. You cannot allow William Ruto to disrespect this community that much. And all you need to do to restore our dignity and pride as a people, as a community, is to eat his money, reject his project, and elect Newton Karis.
Yo naragendete kwene kibwane na ase ebisera biri byege siasa mense ya Kenya libera kabisa gena tukubwata nsomo nchyo mugeria se chinsemo au chinse ya Kenya usio bochore bakebo kugere kwene kibwes chinsemo au ibona iga nigabare bane tegwe sokya na gukwereta kabisa kwene kyanga bali bako batiotereria na bali bako siya ngonyara bali bakora kujara bali bakunyara koiro obobuye sinchira ire ya bene chinga kiro chagashagwa kabisa ndrete gukwana na kumugikeria omwara wense kubatikana nenchera yobora ibwa ya bakorekana imeyense ya Kenya na abono omurayi wense ya Buganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni no kwanete gosino arenge imese ya Kenya na esabete koba agakuchakia ebigwanda kiria giastire nanigo nigo Kaguta Museveni aene kiringa igaguchia kubwaterana oyemo aseyemo ono murai bwense na kwena kia inga obunchureria guchibore kwa bugukina kuri sebirengo birobore wikebirenge binga imeyense ya Kenya sata yatenga inse ya Kenya nensingi yano nigo raro kante sana gakumoto yo murai bwense inga ha murai ogechikoreta omangana gukinia ebirengo byuchumi byense ya Kenya asebono Museveni alire yira esenchira ire yabene kubwaterana kuboko asoka boko no murai bwense Dr. William Ruto eria akwena kinga uchumi amono bonchureria bwense ya Kenya ngo ikabore birengo bire ebigoro mono tiango trare kwana yaye murai bwense yo ya Buganda Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Now, what you Africans need to know is the power of the pocket, the purchasing power. You can imagine the money we are giving to foreigners. $500 million a year from Uganda to foreigners. This is a lot of support for them. Kenya, you have had $800 million. This is a lot of support. So if that money remains in our pocket, instead of giving it to others, we shall be much better off. So nobody should tell you that we don't have power. We have power, but we don't use it. The power of the pocket. Purchasing power is power. We have been buying Japanese vehicles ever since 1962, when we got independence. I started seeing Japanese vehicles here. Previously, we were using British vehicles. But with independence, we started getting Japanese vehicles. And by the time we came from fighting Amin, Japanese vehicles had taken over from the British and the German. So I talked to the Japanese, can you come and assemble your vehicles in Uganda? They were not interested. But now, we are making our own vehicles from beginning to end. So the Japanese now came and said, I want to assemble. I said, no, sorry, too late. I can't allow you. You lost your chance. Because assembling means you bring the same vehicle, knock down, and you just put it together here. The only saving is like 15%. But this shows you the power of the pocket. How much has Africa been spending on Japanese vehicles since 1962, when I started seeing these vehicles coming? It is very important that Africans really wake up and know their interests. I want to salute His Excellency Ruto. He's a real Pan-Africanist.
Igo tigana gosego tigara senseme yo ya mangana yo kwenda kwa kino uchumi yensi ya Kenya gono murai bwense no nere William Ruto so kribene na gotebanga ba Kenya nigo baguchi konyore mere bisencheri ya bene aseruto atiandrenga nigo uchiko baligeria basta emeremo ao iribanyare ekwegendele nganyero monchu murirenga murai bwense William Ruto nigo hagendretero moroberio ye onyota oyo obwoko baeni baba sa yense ya Kenya kurwa chiwodi ao chiwodi chonsi meyense ya Kenya monchu murirenga erie esenchera ya bene anyare koba gakoba ne kiria ngankonyora bare nibo yogwe chakeria ebiasara byabo barabu abanyene libanyare kwegeka na kunyara gwetenera barabu abanyene muri buriyo yinyota umure muri bense no nigo nigamente ko tebanga igobono aguchya kwene kinga basaibonsi bense ya Kenya konyara bare meremo na nigo abegete mebango ere emekongu nemitengu kegima kwene kinga basaibono konyara bare meremo hanene chinga kiechiga abara agosaba sae bagendete ko mu baro basae oyure bense ya Kenya batabwa timeremo oro ibwe krengo okeigoromono ase obugima bwagende ko bakongera hone gabasa bense ya Kenya abasaba nkimamba bwati mere mukwendo murayibwense bwesokiriye sencherere yabene mwancho muyiria na kuriere irabasaye ngango cyare ko bakonya na tunyorenga na gaga ndretero mureberi yaye hagati ya imeroberi ya nyota nanye nigo mureberi yori hasala fante ngo tare nkwana ya William Ruto igoro ye imeroberi yaye yogo cyakwana kingabasaye nkonyo warabare meremo.
We convene here not just to convene a factory or commission a factory, but we usher in a new, audacious chapter in Africa's industrialization ambition. This project is the outcome of visionary leadership, daring entrepreneurship, and enduring partnership between the private sector and our two governments. It reflects a collective commitment to sustainable development, regional integration, and the pursuit of transformative impact for our present and future generations. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to congratulate you on this remarkable milestone and to commend your steadfast commitment to industrialization and championing transformative investments. This project will provide jobs for our young people, build new value chains for small and medium enterprises, and create opportunities that extend far beyond Uganda's borders. Already, the Tororo facility currently employs more than 400 workers, with plans to increase workforce within the company to 20,000 by 2027 across our East African operations. Beyond direct job creation, it will open vast opportunities for companies within the East African community, particularly in transport, in energy, in construction, and service sectors through cross-border supply contracts and strategic joint ventures.
Ine nkwana yomora ibwense karange galia mono omora ibwense imense ya Buganda bange na Weru Museveni kwa ibuna Museveni achatenga nego kwene kenga oboncheria ngo tinga bore gatiyense ya Buganda monense ya Kenya na ruto nero kwanire kabisa igoro yemero beria yo kwene kinga basai bonse bari batabwa tiemeremo imense ya Kenya nkonyora abaremeremo eri banyare kwegenderere na gwetenera barabwa banyane kinga ki umubara mone basabwe ne kwene kibo bari batabwa tiemeremo imense ya Kenya mwancho mugira manyane ko kwane kerekyo rigo omora nende mora ibwense ye ya Buganda nere na kwanete abange kabisa na ngo kitore korora ninga ninkige korekana kore ngo kitori ko ibwen kwaneria yo omoyo mura ibwense gora kwanete gore ya Afrika kore sibonega nkomanyi bwange ya masa yemo igo tochi kwenda mbaka state house igari esinyomba nene yo bora ya state house yo mwancho mugeria aso omo prime minister ase omo prime minister oria abwense ya Malaysia Anwar Ibrahim ari meyense ya Kenya ase tara ya bene yo kwene kinga obosani bwense yunkwene kibore buja na bayigo asense meria yo bonchoreria ne bintu binde binge na kaleto bunyamasi ese amangana ya uchumi ime ejense ya Kenya ime henyombe na yo bora ya state house omwanchwa omo rigereria nabo oroche chibiche chiogabu chigenderete egweta imeye kurwese nyomberi yo owara ya state house kabisa garia nende yo no prime minister wenseria ya Malaysia itsariganiwe imeye nyombene yo bora ya state house omwancho omo rigereria na sentera ere ya bene ngutore konyora komanya ninki bago kwanira nabo igo ninki keria bawuchiko waterana area kwene kinga nko nyora abare sentera ere ya bene nkorenga no rigereti kayega no rigerete kagisa gabu ngi kagendrete gabu omwancho mugereria korenga no roche kurwese screen ya ne gabu kabisa oyo no prime minister abwense ya Malaysia Anwar Ibrahim igabu kabisa bagendrete igabu babwate ebintegete basaini rigalia korenga ngati chi document chiria babere ko babago saini omwancho omurigereria ile kwane kinga obiasara ngo korekana bire okoboko ogwoko be kurwese seria nimero chigaria no roche mwaziri Musalia Mudavadi no ekaranste gario yoro waziri wose mwana wabo waziri saba waziri bonse nabo igo waziri bwa mangana ayechinse chaisiko mutu ya kabika marian torocha batene nabare babere igaria tomoroche mara ibwense William Samoei Ruto twamorore omo waziri oria bwa mangana yechigosori Salim Mvurya no ari igaria kapsa anere oire gayo koranga ebintu mbire bigo chikobekana gati asensemeri ebisero byechigosori tuchikumanye bwesenchera yabene kurwese nyombe ya state house oyun Salim Mvurya oyore omo waziri bwa mangana ayabasae ama onechigosori ime yense ya Kenya wale wense no areganera kandete gwaka chinko byesenchera ire ya bene kwane kinga owe biasa bigo kare kana bire kare ngano ngetiga bwo mwancho mugeria ngati y'abantu bari bayigetentero chenga batenendeye korwa ase high commission area yense ya Malaysia yense ya Kenya gusaba yenyumberia ayobora ya State House nyoranga bwitore konyora ribaga ariyo konyora chinkwanecho esenchera ere ya bene kurese nyumbe yo ya State House bono igotogoche kugenda ro live kabisa omwancho mugeria ariyo tunyare kwegwera nkikeria gende teko korekana kurwa se nyumbe yo ya State House ma asaya moto igubuno murai bwense William Samoei Ruto angaire kurwa chinkwana chiaye esenchera ere ya bene
diplomatic relations. Our discussions today, ladies and gentlemen, reinforced our long-standing friendship while charting an ambitious future together. We agreed to elevate our bilateral architecture by upgrading to a strategic bilateral partnership, ensuring that our cooperation advances with purpose and structure. We reaffirmed our commitment to removing tariff and non-tariff barriers, expanding Kenyan exports to Malaysia and vice versa, and deepening cooperation in digital technology and high-tech manufacturing. In this regard, I welcome Your Excellency's agreement to eliminate tariffs on agricultural produce and beef, a significant step that will open new market opportunities for Kenyan farmers and strengthen the commercial foundation of our partnership. The removal of these tariffs, Mr. Prime Minister, is especially significant given the structure of our current trade, where Kenya's main exports to Malaysia include tea, coffee, flowers, avocados, titanium ores, and beef, while imports from Malaysia consist primarily of edible oils and fats, chemical products, electronic, agricultural chemicals, and rubber. This profile underscores the importance of the potential of broadening our commercial ties. Our engagement culminated in the signing of the agreements you have witnessed here, a bilateral air service agreement to expand connectivity and ease of travel between our two countries to boost trade and tourism. A second MOU on tourism cooperation to strengthen two-way tourism investment and joint destination marketing. A letter of intent on the twinning of Nairobi and Kuala Lumpur to enhance city-level cooperation in urban planning, technology, and service delivery. And an MOU between the Kenya National Chamber of Commerce and Industry and the National Chamber of Commerce and Industry of Malaysia to deepen private sector partnership and unlock our new business opportunities. And I know, Prime Minister, you will be attending to the business forum between the two chambers and our business people. And together, these instruments mark the beginning of a broader and deeper strategic partnership for mutual benefit. This visit comes at a defining moment for Kenya as we advance a new national roadmap inspired by the experience of Malaysia and other Asian tigers, nations that rose through discipline, strategy, and a commitment to excellence. In our discussions, we agreed that Malaysia will explore partnerships and investments across our key priority areas, including collaboration in STEM and in research, and matters education. And I want to commend you, Mr. Prime Minister, that you will be meeting with some of our education stakeholders later today as part of our human capital development that is central to Kenya's development. Last week, we did unveil a new plan that's going to get our human capital to develop at a rate that is going to be commensurate with the development we want to undertake in the next 10 to 15 years. The Prime Minister has said will be engaging with stakeholders as part of that effort. We also agreed to strengthen the semiconductor bilateral relationship, as part of Kenya's human capital development and manufacturing, including industrial agenda. Through a strategic partnership, Malaysia will support Kenya to grow and expand its semiconductor technology and manufacturing capabilities, including the experience we already have, as I mentioned to you, Mr. Prime Minister, with one of our universities, Kimathi University, that has already courses in that field. And thank you very much, Mr. Prime Minister, for accepting to support Kenya with training opportunities for our engineers and high-level professionals to support industrialization as part of the diversification of our economy, walking in the footsteps of what your country has done. I was looking at the numbers. Your country was an agricultural country like Kenya. But today, you stand out because you have diversified your economy, and today you export manufactured goods to America and to many other destinations. And I want to tell you, Mr. Prime Minister, we are walking in the footsteps of Malaysia, and we hope to catch up with you soon. As part of our broader transformation agenda, I have invited Malaysian private sector to participate in public-private partnerships, including investments in road network expansion. And I have informed the Prime Minister that some of your big engineering companies are welcome to work with us as we expand our highways by another 2,500 kilometers and another 28,000 kilometers of road around Kenya. There will be opportunities for private-public partnership. There will be opportunities for investment. And I know that the huge private sector team that came with you will be looking at these opportunities and finding how they can work with their Kenyan counterparts. Additionally, we exchanged views on regional peace, security, and multilateral cooperation. We acknowledged Malaysia's efforts in Eastern Asia region and Kenya's peace efforts in East and the Horn of Africa. We also expressed support for America's and President Trump's intervention in Sudan crisis, which has now escalated into a very serious humanitarian catastrophe. We also reaffirmed our shared commitment on the reform of the global financial architecture and the reform of the United Nations. Africa has demanded 2 permanent seats on the UN Security Council with full rights, including the power of veto, as well as 2 additional non-permanent seats. With 54 countries and a population of 1.4 billion people, it is both unfair and undemocratic for the continent to remain excluded from the world's top decision-making body. I conveyed our appreciation for Malaysia for supporting the upgrade and expansion of the United Nations office in Nairobi, the only UN office headquarters presence in the Global South. Likewise, the international financial architecture must be reformed and democratized to ensure that Africa and the wider Global South are treated equitably so that they can access concessional financing at scale, just as members of the Global North do. Your Excellency, your presence in Nairobi is a powerful affirmation that Kenya's ambition meets Malaysia's experience at exactly the right moment. As we rise, we draw inspiration from nations like yours that embraced bold ambition over limitation and chose excellence instead of mediocrity. Kenya now stands ready to take its place among nations that we started with, like your own nation. When I made a comment in Parliament last week that you were visiting our country, there was tremendous applause because we have been having a big conversation in Kenya about where we are and where we should be. And I am very proud that today we have you right here in Kenya so that even as we have this conversation, we can bring it home with your presence here, that Malaysia, which was an agricultural country like Kenya 60 years ago, today has an economy 20 times larger than ours, has an economy that is diversified, has a GDP per capita that is maybe also 20 times higher than ours. And we say this because we believe we can do it the same way your country did it. And I am very encouraged. I am inspired. When I look at you, Prime Minister, look at what Malaysia has been able to achieve and the steps you have taken, the decisions you have made as a country, the path that you have chosen that has made you the country that you are today. And as a people, we associate ourselves with Malaysia in many ways. And as you have asked me, I will be visiting, by God's grace, I will be visiting your country next year. And I will carry quite a bit of the private sector with me and many others, so that when I discuss with the people of Kenya the housing program, where the greatest inspiration came from Singapore and Malaysia, they can come and see what Malaysia has done on the housing program. They can come and see the kind of human resource development that you have done. They can also come and see what you have done in matters health, even as we drive our own universal health coverage here in Kenya. It is amongst the lessons that we have learned from your country. And Mr. Prime Minister, I will also have the opportunity, because I've been to your country 3 times, for Kenyans to see the kind of infrastructure, modern infrastructure that you have put up in your country, and the one that we are envisioning as Kenya. And it is really a proud moment for me as I engage with you, because you bring home the many things that we have been discussing as a country as to the possibilities of what can be achieved if the right decisions are made, if we don't compromise, if we don't settle for the average, if we eliminate mediocrity, and we make the decisions that will take our country forward. Mr. Prime Minister, I express my deepest appreciation to His Majesty King Sultan Ibrahim Sultan, to Your Excellency, Mr. Prime Minister, your government, and the people of Malaysia for this very important brotherly visit. Welcome.
Thank you, President Ruto. And Kenya is a great country for hosting us and my delegation. I'm particularly delighted to be here. It's a great country, great history of struggle. And we have seen under your stewardship the determination to propel not only the economy but the infrastructure, and to ensure that Kenya emerge as a great nation. I mean, you have been extremely humble in your remarks. I've seen the potential. I've seen the enormous strides you have made in the housing sector, for example, which is most commendable. I don't think many countries, including Malaysia, has embarked that fast and that effective, because your passion to provide housing for the people, particularly the poor, from Kenya. So congratulations, Mr. President. We have decided, both of us at least, and the government, to enhance the bilateral relations into a strategic partnership which would cover all fields of endeavor. And the traditional agriculture, import, but also in new technology. You are also very concerned on the issue in energy transition and digital transformation, including semiconductors, data center, and AI. And I think we can share our experience and yours through university collaboration, to research, and through various forms of investments. And I think there's absolutely no reason why a country like Kenya with such enormous potential and Malaysia cannot effectively collaborate and benefit from each other's strength. We have been, both have been ex-colony of the West, and it's time that we emerge as a forceful voice, but beginning with, of course, the management of our own country, our economy, our governance, and you see, with clarity of purpose and policies. And I, therefore, must express my profound regards and appreciation for your single determination. You are tough. and certainly, country like Kenya, Malaysia, although we are a democracy, but we need leaders who have clarity of vision, who have firm determination, because otherwise we'll be left behind. And you, President, I'm particularly not only excited but assured meeting you and looking at this country. And of course, the advantage of visits like this is that you prepare, you learn, relearn the new ventures, the new initiatives. And I have great belief that Kenya will be one of the stars in Africa. And I'm therefore, on behalf of my colleagues in Malaysia and the people of Malaysia, not only in expressing my profound thanks to you, but to assure you that we will have to execute this. And I've given my assurance that prior to your visit, which is not going to be too late, maybe early next year, and we will make sure that some of the broad parameters and execution of the decisions must be made earlier. December, January, February, we still have a few months. But we must showcase that we can do it. And listening to you and looking what we have done in this country, I believe that we can showcase to the world that the collaboration of countries can affect change and will benefit immensely the welfare of their people. On international issues, again, I mean, we share a common position. No amount of hectoring about human rights and democracy by those in power over the West can change a position that there is hardly any democratic tradition or process, even in the United Nations. I mean, this is a misnomer, is a contradiction in terms. So we have been calling for that, and I believe certainly is a new Africa. Africa is no longer a colony, and there's a huge potential.
biasara byabo ngo kibirego kinemense ya Kenya ukwanire amangana yo bonchereria asebonense ya Kenya monense ya Malaysia bawitkonge bakora bonchereria asinchira ere ya bene gore omurai bwense yiri ya Malaysia Inwar Ibrahim mo prime minister bwense ya Malaysia Inaheri Ibrahim okwanira nere kurese nyombe ya state house sinchira ya bene asate biringinse ya Kenya ebe tayare yebekamo kabisa eri okwenekya ingango venture kabisa osengo soa ere se amangana yebinto au muna obonchoreria buna oborai nonye gose nonye na ekisemi eri kwenekya nga inkobere agati yense yemo imense ya Africa eri gochya komesa korengana ano mu prime minister bwense ya Malaysia Inwar Ibrahim nigo enseria gose nigense ya Kenya atwa abwato kwegena kabisa ngense ya Kenya ngo chere koba egati yekinse kira kigo kikomesa ine yarogongoro oru Africa gukwana kinga kicyo muri bwense okwanira mangana ya edible oil omwancho murigeria na mabutaria ayo chinyeni yatebanga inse ya Kenya yo chikubwatrana inense ya Malaysia ariko na kingense ya Kenya ngokorere byasara nkonyarore edible oil kiria senchera area ya bene ero kwenekyo bwonye masibo bonchereria agati yense ya Malaysia amonense ya Kenya ngoisene ngoikirana bore asenchera area ya bene omwancho omo origereria ne ebintu bya biri kwano kurese nyomberia yobora ya state house nanye nigo twamara agati omukubo twamara abarayibande abekanabu ambassador bense ya Malaysia korwagaria no barenge imeye nyombe ya state house ntwamara monne wabo waziri nabo igo mwaziri bwa manganaria ayechinse echaise ko sefana afase David no arenge garia ntwamara nyanigo omo minister gose omo waziri ibwa mangana ayabasa NH Gosori Youth and Sports Affairs na arenge garia Salim Mvoria na baikirana garia komogenia kabisa omo prime minister yense ya Ethiopia agocha imeyense yiga ya Kenya togosuka mutu mwancho muri ya Keigo nigobono togoso chese county ya Kisii asomori kito Karamaosa ekanire sebikaro abiria abyo okuligereria obwene ebwa bararia ngorwo aseni gobono barurege kuro kyugo chuchya sabasaye gose sabasaye me county ya Nyamira asebasege tokubwatakana no oborendi bwabo ekero obaregasi asama tukawango igo moncho muligeria abararia bali abarebiguriye kusabari bande bonse babereka bagochererwa n'abantu banyekero baresegasi yabo yokubwataga ariko koneka ingoboraria ngo tuikera bode osobari gwikera bora SMB sentiri ya bene kware babo saganwe isebikorwa atalime ya Nyamira ka talime ya county ya Kisii kwero nensengima ya Kenya mpaka game ya Nairobi tokora hamachinga kichinyinge nigo abararia bakonyana kaba bagochererwa manene kirabwate chikamera chiabo kerobare igari ageti bakwenekya ingango korabare merememi ya erio chibicha na ali agendete gwateka kurwa chingongo abo ikere sentira ya bene kurende hakonyara nga iga bakaba bagochererwa bagotigerwa chingoma nonye ene chimashini chiabo buna chi computer buna chi kamera chikoba chigo staribwa nigo hopono bakere byakara na kurwikero kyabo egekarekyo ego gose Karekyo nigo kyaragwa ano munyakirogo obwe ekyombe kyo Eric Oduor nyakirogo ekyombe keria kyabararia sensoro gongoro Eric Oduor ase bono obaro bikuru byabo toto chikorora senchira ya bene nkeke bakwarere na timochike kwanira senchi osobo imake ase omurikito Karamaosa nerekane sebikare yo none narwe kwana yaya igoro yakiriki bwana tekokora eri kwegerera abararia kusabari kyamangana majimensi yake robot yoro kuro ase county ya Kisii ya Masaya.
Hata kuna utafiti imefanywa research inaonyesha sexual harassment sio hiyo duruma ya kijinsia sio kwa sababu mtu ni mkubwa na mdogo wake, wakati mwingine ni kuonyesha hiyo muscle power, ati mimi niko na nguvu kushinda wewe, because kuna effects of sexual harassment zinafanya watu wale wameface hicho kitendo wanakuwa na psychological impact, emotional, and sometimes wanaacha kazi. So ukienda kama college za journalism unapata wanawake ndio wengi, wasichana. Lakini ukienda kwa media house unapata ni wanaume wamejaa. So hii mafunzo yetu tulianza ndio kwanza tujue kwa nini wanawake wanapotea kuingia like first year, by second year, third year wametoka newsroom. So tukapata sexual harassment ni moja yao, discrimination hiyo kama ni promotion training unapata ni wanaume wanapewa, wanawake wanaambiwa wewe enda linda watoto kwanza ndio tuangalie maneno yako. So then tukapata issue ya safety kama mwanamke kuna stories zingine wesi ukafanya kama usiku, na some of these stories ndio zinakufanya wewe kama journalist byline yako ama jina lako lionekane, ndio hata ugrow professionally.
The disconnect between unions and organizations supporting journalists pia na wamiliki wa vyombo vya habari, kwa sababu wamiliki wako hapa in business na wanataka ku maximize on profits, na wajui kwamba kuna issues za mental health, kuna issues za sexual harassment, security in the field, na hapa ni mahali wanafaa kuinvest sana, including wakati tunaenda kama riots hivi. Most media houses hawana ile security gear ya kuenda nayo field. We bora tu uende field na ulete story. So ombi langu ni kwamba organizations kama Kenya Union of Journalists, Kenya Correspondents Association na zingine waje pamoja na waungane na media houses, watengeneze policy ambayo ina guide the safety and operation of journalism in the country, and if there is that document, then it should be updated so that it's in line with the current and emerging issues.
Kwa kweli nimefurahia mafunzo ambayo tumeweza kupata kwa siku hizi mbili, ambapo tumeweza kuzungumzia mafunzo juu ya dhuluma za kijinsia, haswa sisi wanahabari wenye ni wanawake au wasichana, naweza sema baadhi yazo zikiwa ni sexual harassment kutoka kwa wakubwa wetu, maybe pale kazini ama wanasiasa, na kati ya watu wengine wenye tunaweza kukumbana nao katika harakati zetu pale tukitafuta habari huko nje. Katika hili swala la dhuluma za kijinsia, kwa kweli ni swala ambalo linafaa kuangaliwa sana kwa undani, kwa sababu sisi kama wanahabari wanawake tunaweza tunalipitia katika kila siku tukiwa katika harakati za kutafuta habari, na ningependa sana hiki chama cha Kenya Union of Journalists kiweze kuingilia kati kuangalia jinsi kitaweza kusuluhisha tatizo hili kwa undani kabisa, kuhakikisha ya kwamba vitendo kama hizi zinaweza kuwa zimepunguzwa, na pia wenye kufanya hizo vitendo za sexual harassment waweze kufuatiliwa na pengine kufikishwa hadi kotini.
Ujumla wa wamiliki wa vyombo vya habari ni kuhakikisha kwamba mazingira ya kufanyia kazi ni bora na kuepusha hali ya tuseme wafanyakazi ama kina dada kudhulumiwa wakiwa kazini. Kuna dhuluma nyingi ambazo zinaripotiwa ama zinafanyika katika vyombo vya habari ama kule kazini, lakini hazijitokezi kwa sababu labda mtu anaona kwamba akisema kwamba kuna kitu ambacho kimemkabili ama amehujumiwa na mfanyakazi mwenzake ama amehujumiwa na msimamizi wake ama yule bosi anayemsimamia, labda huenda akapoteza kazi. Kwa hivyo ingekuwa bora zaidi kama wamiliki wa vyombo vya habari wangeangalia waone jinsi ambavyo maslahi ya mfanyakazi wao, maslahi ya huyu dada anayetekeleza majukumu yake kila siku, maslahi ya mimi ninayejituma kuhakikisha kwamba wananchi wanapata habari yanatunzwa.
Ayoni gakorekanire kigietire kurosoro gongo rwa gusio mwanchu mugeria hase abararia besokiri gukwanda nene amaslai aria yo omurari musubati meyense ya Kenya ne bintu biria bakaba bagwetera akwa igure wategire nga egati abasaria basubati nigo bagosoemeremo na mega yemetienye bere tatu igakwanyora nga batigire gasio sengincho oye bakonyora ebitambo kero se bakonyora ebintu gete bikonyora kwa bikubachanda sana kwa renga igo bagotebanga nonyine nyoma chiri cyo bararia na sacha na gokonyora barabange korengana na barari abu bore gukuro kyabiri banye kuba gwikana banyare ko bakwigwikana na wigo banyare ko bagokoraki banyare ko bakurgeri bwana rabwe bwene bwa banyare ko gwikanibwa bakwanira mangana a sexual harassment batanga abarari bari basubati kero bari se station nkiri cyabo konyoranga nigo bakonyora ko bakoba harassed sexually nigo ne bakwanira ngani US barure bono ko burya nga banyare ko na bwene bwa banyare ko gwikanibwa na banyare ko bakurgeribwa bakwanira amangana ari ria a promotion omwancho mugeria batebi ngabanya abalya basubati bari kunya bakokinwe birogo monta karega se chinga kichintambe monta kare meremo semyake menge kurenda tanya kabaka gokinibwa ananege bari gukwanira abalya basubati omwancho mugeria esoro chinga barure bikoro kyabo kurwa senseme yakisi bakurana oduo uyoro moya kerogo bwekebekeria akyo abalya kurwa ngorwa gusi bakwanire amangana aria ya safety yabo yani ngaki bakunya kwa bakurendwa anene chinga kikyabo tukokera bakwenda okore emeremo yarango muntu chiro okore emeremo go sesto gosomugano gete obere koba gokoba asegete naniko kera bakwiruga yo kunyoranga igase bakwirwa sare wente ko goborendi bolia abo isaine senchera ere ya bene eriyo kera bayiro borendi wo mwancho mugeria onyare koba ngoikera na bole senchera ere ya bene no nyani go mwancho mugeria ngati ya mangana ali abere koba kago kwanwa ese miyo o yagusi emambe ya bono iga ikero bagendete kurwa igoro ye chinckwani cyabo kurwa sense media amangana ali akanyaka bagwetera amange kerage ngochinde koligereria kamya chinsemo chonsi na wenda kokwenekya munanete gwatika kurwa chinsemo au mwancho mugere kero chiabdo kide kemerongene igoro ye chinsa isano chabona mambi robot irwa nendo na kwaligene tie sencheri yabene mo director ne garia Barnabase amona wanja bagonte binga arwa baire sencheri yabene no robot irwe chikosori na twachage tomoroberia onyena litangani ukombwa to mwancho mugereria nigo na de chiete ye masa yemo na mashabiki yashabana na ngate makoligereria sohoime igoro ye bwanchero matabiki yashabana igoro buna abaga kwarati sawari chiabo nabona bakwene kinga ngo ikabarega ari agosire timu yeto ya Shabana FC timu bakunyeroka terebobe hagati yabanga Shabana aneyemo ensengima nanyeni igo na chiete barabwe ya masemo nkabanyore memo chi Nairobi tokachaka barabwe etara ya bene kurwa sense media ya TRM Tikaroli Mall tokachana barabwe ya masemo ogwikaruiro tokabayira na barabwe ogwikajuja tokana barabwe ogwikatika nyakurutika tokaso sense media Kenol kurukelo tokaso se town ya Muranga na kurise town ya Muranga tokaso imena gosoime kabisa kabisa garia segeti keria agia sport pesa Saint Sebastian Park egeti egasaro yanka akiamuranga siri akosa yakoseti bwen tindi kegima mwancho mugeria somore wali katikati yegeti arenge igaba ko kwangana Brooks no more baina amanyire semyake menga sana more bali wona ego kinire birego na gare ese ligere ya Kenya Premier League abete ko bakago tenene go sori yegena goika omoyerio obuchita kemerongo kyando mwancho mugeria nige egasori yerete egori kunyisani egori ya masa mo gosori ya wikirifaiko yatagente konyonsi egori de kaya gatatu umwancho mugeria negento kiata mashabiki ya Shabana nona abana kanyara bragati abegatigeti bakanyoranga Shabana igenyonse tiegori kolende omogosori yoro mo captain Kiplagati ebwe timu area ya Muranga Silio mwancho mugeria de kaya 35 akabaka bagakwirani egori ejo na kuruga abwe gapindi ya kabere ntoro chigori ndo yonsi koriche twaro cha mogosori yata we timu ya Shabana FC Austin Odongo gakoma chikonyonsi kanyakonyora amasoke na komachenge goalkeeper kende goalkeeper gatume kubo ngaini mwegora mono kwirana kwiri mupiro lya sobwango sana siri bagaba katebanga abandi garingeli bagari sana alioko era timu ya Shabana obo ibwabene gende nakorete omugano igoro yo bwanchani bwa mashabiki ya Shabana FC na buna bakalisa bari cyabo no bwanchani bwabo gotia se club ya Shabana FC egenda kya bakore barabukobe kubonega bune timu imeyense ya Kenya ebwate abatioterelia abange kyanda age komimense ya Kenya yabwira yabo chitimu chine Championship League ne imeyense ya Kenya tigango trara sabari ye mashabiki ya Shabana na buna bawikirani obwanchani bwabo gotia ase timu area ya Shabana aya masa ya mogo chakera sense media ya Tikarode gari TRM goika gari ya Muranga Saint Sebastian Stadium. Omogoko echengo ama onobosani ibwa imemono. Ase entunda yende naende abatiotereria abeklabu ugia Shabana FC ekikosoria ase ligi nene ya FKF Sport Pesa Kenya Premier League ya Kenya nigo bagendrete kworokia obwanchani bwabo abonene guchia ase klabu ekyo Ritko oria igoro ekero Shabana yarenge ko karakaria ne klabu kereke Muranga Sile chiribu chi amashabike kurwa chinsagi au chi klabu ekyo ya Shabana nigo beso getekigima bunere eira yabo Egati yechinsagia chiria chia sogeti gotietereria egelabu kiabo gia Shabana FC na mororo sagero yorone kabisa aruati aribego seti Karodi Branch orosagia arua Kitengela rolela Westlands Mountain View orosagelo Utawara orosagelo rwa Mombasa Road rolela Diaspora amoro sagia koragusi gati yechinsagi chinde chinyinge chia sogeti teneni Bakorau nrosagia rolia ruati Karodi Branch nige sawari yogo chego tuterelia ekerabu giatore bobe ya chagete asense meria ya TRM Ruiru Juja eyemo asayemo gwikatika na kuruabo Kenole Muranga gwika asegesero gia Saint Sebastian egeti gianka agikelabu kia Muranga Sile Nchera kogenda abatioterelia aba nigo barekanete gotene na kira etaoni gochenga Gotera na koralia ringana erimorioka Shabana Neyemo Omwerio ye bagasoa bagatintia na kulivia egesere kegima agia St. Sebastian Park SportPesa Stadium wikali baga alio wikaransali kabora egentokere tabande go sonchen koje bateneine korua chikona ao chegasere kyo Amatero au yokobatogia abagosori au obe club kyo gia Shabana FC akabako kwikana asembe okera chingaki igoika akalivia lire area St. Sebastian Park Omwerio obweri tuko Enkoyo oyarenge enkongu kianda agia ikomi nigo ya chete makari kanyonsa niegolia ayema sayemo magagayo marebali katikati yegesero omanyekene buna Brooks kubugia birimbi ya yo mwerio kweneke omwerio bochitegeka emerongo kianda yegolie timu ya Shabana FC nigatego kanyonsi bwa sedageka ya gatatu edageka entangane kabisa yegosori eyo ama mogosori gia tabwe kerabu ekyo Wycliffe Awiko kurende asedageka ya 35 omo captain Omuranga Seal akabaka gakwirania egoli na kokora amangana kwa makaria Bono yabire teneni inga obwanchani ibwa mashabiki ye klabu ya Shabana FC gochia se klabu ya Shabana nigo bagendreta kawa obwanchani ibwe birenge binane esibono obwa tambokera chimbebe na kaba obwanchani ibwe memono
Abatioteria klabu ya Shabana FC nigo bara kyobo sani waibo obwanchani bwabo na waibo obwanchani bwabo imwe gochia se klabu ya Shabana FC koyalero na weso kyoto murane chiri gochia abaika se gochia ya St. Sebastian ni county ya Muranga Abatioteria klabu yabo abasali gasia Shabana na FC abasali erego ya yemo atayemo nenigo nura abatioteria na bara kuinga obwanchani bwabo bwabo sama kabongo na sama tuko aremotia Sawari ya chakarese wara ya tika ulikurese sema ya tika Juja Ruiru weka na nene sema chokanole na weka sega saragya sega semkeja Sani wababo yote kana sema yake nge tukatele teseni nge soka TV wabaka sega saragya sega semkeja ni county ya Muranga yake na njogoro kwa Daniel mwaga
Wanchumugeria inere sabali na korete ya mesemo na mashabiki tukuregoro ngatete ko chenchi akegori ne kwandro bwanchero mashabiki nende korenga kwa renga enyewe Shabana neye moyoka mashabiki yagwe sokia umubaro baka kwanyoranga ba mashabiki gara bange kubwe timu eriereka yani bali bacabagani nigo bara bange kubwa bali bareka yin Shabana bakujeruka Shabana nganeye monende imegano yose ya Shabana igega no gucaka bako kenyore ye masemo to masoko twara baba bwende bwensi kegara kibuno murari obwa mangana ali chigosori sense meri ya kabere ngo baginko konyarose na goikera esenchera ere ya bena mangi chinya gokomanyo mwancho murigeria chigosori nchigendrete gari yosora ngoro ya arwa Afcon yani sikosori chorongorwa Sekafa chigosori chaba abagosoria bali barense ye myaka 15 gose under 15 ebere gose under 17 ime yenseria ya Ethiopia asekelege neto korabya igotone kugena ngosori bale bagende bakachi round of 16 bagende quarters semis wekaba ikechi final na kwena chireti giti yogo chagosori emirano biri bya Afrika ngima bya abasai bali barense ye myaka 15 ebere timu yeto ya Rising Stars igekorau amono mo coach ulia we club keria Kariobangi Sharks William Muluya kagokonywa osobwange mono no mo coach we club keria Shabana FC Peter Okidi omwalimu igwabaga garia ime ya Ethiopia na nigo Peter Okidi tarenge gosori ya Shabana ekegara igare gari Ethiopia oyoro komo konya oyorenge tatile nigo igakuru kwa mo coach Mwalala oyoro mo assistant coach we club keria Shabana sengencho mwalimu Peter Okidi ni gari Ethiopia asiagendrete kubatieria abana bali barense mega 15 ebere ibere estigo sichase kafa chigenrete chigo ikomwera chitaikema ngebe sano na ibere na chinga keboti wali bakebochi kokareka na imensa ya Kenya umwacho muriria ntiko bagingo komanya ya masa ya mari ntokokareka na kirenga kokoro kirensemo angana mangana yege siasa buna bone kebochi wali bakebwenete kubwatanse as chinsemo chonsi yense ya Kenya ngote bunga sa nomba bwete igoro mogosodoria eze na baba konte kurese yende gala Clinton ondigi mbuyamono na mona Innocent Onyango abuna abatiotelebe club bebe timu ya Arsenal tobwate megaiga igotogote bwa ingani ngo babwete samogosori eze abateko bagakwa na kare mupira mega yofunga hat-trick asegosori yo Arsenal bagenda tokora bya sano mwancho mugeria babwete 4-1 bagasatie London derby karabanye toka bakonyegesa timu area ya Tottenham Hotspur Jose Nere mu manager onegaiga agonte byanga timu ya endera botuko saa 5 Manchester United achokosa ne club kiria kia Everton iyo kurwa sense area ya Liverpool City igogo chikabego sori nkongo imeyo Old Trafford Jose timeti gosemaniu moche monyo robo bwirero no mogose bagosori baino babo mbwebo no bakare garia bawo chikobeko bagosori senchera area ya bene omwancho muri cyabtuga chideka emerongene na kianda igorechi sano chishabona mambyo omwancho muri na tichikokora gosekerongo chikokeria mwali omoroberi oyo obwa moroberi oyo obene bwe etrobini omwancho muri korende tichikokora ntarakora maskania ya bene na gotema kumanya bali mwarenge na inche bali mwambo ateseti kabisa agaiga elini nyanya gosoma chias mes chaino essential ayamo yokoba monene soko TV yoko chora gotegera muroberi gosina yoko chora gosoncha umuroberi oria abwe etrobini essential ere ya bene oyakuru kwangana ya Fred Moga hagateba komo watching live korwa nyakemosia secondary a missed call Fred Mugaka Muturi akweroke missed call Fred Mugaka Muturi muyamono osogo chora kaba negeteseni geito again soko TV kegaragaiga no crosserwa obwana aregenete kokarekana kurochingongo au chance nabuna agwateka masa ya following live from Nairobi Runda Mall akolo kwa nele Colton Auto agotebaga live kurweti sema Nairobi SM area ya Runda no yagotebaga mosori bwege susu watching live kurwa Nakuru Salams club mbu yamana mosori bwege su gati ijia ababwati bwemeroberi Jonsi P ye Ensoko TV oso imesana ile shabikiri kongu ndali konkabisa mosori bwege sumbu yamana hata akolo kwa Moseti Innocent Kebande Sokoro agwata malietan Moseti Innocent Kibande Sokoro agatebanga pamoja from Kenya Village Nyamira County agitinza mochiali Kenya Nyamira County hada Nyamira County mwanche mwe nyoranga na siasa chibwa tense kima anebose wocholi obokoboga na achikokore kana sense media ward ya Nyamaiya ward area Nyansiongo amone ward ya Kerenyo ase chiwo wocholi obokobochikokore kana na ntogochikora ngo wose gochikoba mu bikuru sense meyo igobone Nyamira siasa chioka chigendrete ochori gora bakore kana chitarike 25 na ibere echiomo tienyo yiga aya oyakuru kwa Moriasi Elikana oyo omkorenga Moriasi Elikana nere omochairman kabisa ebwe branch area batioterere bari bashabana korwa Thika Road branch gose TRM Thika Road branch TRM Thika Road Mall TRB nere branch irene kabisa ye orosageroria Arua Shabana FC ase amasinsa ge chance tubate Kitengela ntubwate Utawala ntubwate Mountain View ntubwate chi nyinge ebuna Mombasa Road kurende bagate banga ya Thika Road branch TRB na orosagero ne kabisa imeyense ya Kenya sabati yotere balia na yego Moriasi Elikana kodenganga na yego na message yao tuko live nende mbu ya mono sokendra gotengera geteseni again Soko TV kegara gaiga no oboroso bogotoka ya bena ko kunga Thomas Ombasa watching you live korwa aiga Jogo Road Makadara aiga sehemu ya sauti ya Jogo Road gari mate korenganga ano live koruga ko kunga Paris Obaye watching live from further Embakasi mbu ya mwana Paris Obaye otokendra go tengera geteseni kia bene again Soko TV na bego tengera oroberi senchira ya bene ebwetrobini emambia ya bonega ako kunga Charles Luanga akota mwalimu Charles Luanga from Nyamira County Kenyerere basement with my wife Jacqueline Kwamboka ndani ya show Monday edition asabati abakobana lyaba litkorere yakobana lya Rafael Misuko akomanda Gladys Kerubo Sylvia Mora Levi Kwamboka Weldon Nyaore amo na Jacqueline Kwamboka agatebanga umoja ni nguvu hamaene abomo na yego toikiaga igana ninche talinche bweka bare mega yechi camera bakwene kinga murubiringo ikirore century ya bene igwa maene umoja ani nguvu ubuna Charles Ruanga agotebagabwe komekanga Benson Boy Embogo koruki Embogo komo korwa Nyakeiri Marani tinsemo chia Nyakeiri garia Marani yotoka imeye bungeria ya Kitutu Uchache Noti abatebanga igware ndane kabisa na igo mwero kabisa apakasori igando cha koruka following you but who following you live akurukunera michi ya kadota abatebanga igago tobwatia essential ya bene korwa chinsemo chiria chia tarateba sakurukurukuna abatebanga gotobwati live imoroberio yo bwetrobini na bagesegiteseni Soko TV geteseni kiao na mbeye mwe geteseni kai remeri asokoletera mangana maya ase kokoletera emeroberi yonsi asokoletera chigosori asokoletera matero amone bintu binde binge asobeme nabo igo ego kwirira eseke gusiki agenda ase ebirengo binde umwancho murigereria Uchakira chinsenye chamambia agwikabona gachoke chidaka 50 na isato igoro ya chinsa isano chabona mambia gwakabenenche Daniel Omwaga na abegete bikoti ya Ishmael Mwagere kone nkore nganga kwatwa robo sonchi woroba tweraru obosonchi borobuya Nabaigo na inche nkora chinga kichabene ko butore mu rubiro ko ndetse kori yankyo ntomurane megega na ndime mu rubiro trobini tugendera go sanga mange burangene taka korekana korwa chingongo au chinsa ikomiko igoro ningira nende ko koretera mangana maye senchire yo wenko ndetse chinsa isano na ibere Diana Ndemo ba okunya na Innocent Onyango ngo chabarega igana ko koretera mangana maye senchira ere yabene bane tokunya rosia ko Romaino Galia nende bagote abanga gwikabachoro ya mugo chikonya kora senchira ere Bene Barnabasi Wanja amo nere kebati nabo barenge emega yemenyoncho kwene kinga chibicha amona mariogi nabo igo nekera umugano ogwikire ye masa ya mesenchira ere ya bene kugwakira ngamba yamona sogochora gototegerera nabo igo gutosoncha intuegetesini kyao kya bene Soko TV ankeli tuko twaro mugaso ora matwereru